Please help me feed Filipino children, Filipinas, and families who need additional assistance. The only way that that happens is subscribers subscribe, watch, and allow YouTube to pay me, and then I pay all the Filipinas, all the children, I feed them. I'm already doing 100 kilos of rice. BANGUS milkfish, when filleted and done the right way, this is phenomenal. It's full of flavor. Local prawns, $3.50 per kilo. That's what we're doing today in this video. And that translates to about $6 a kilo, $3 a pound. Local vegetables, everything on this table, including the mule, costs less than $20. And Silig garlic shrimp with fresh veggies. That's the menu.
Paradise. Every day, I swear to God, every day is God's day in paradise. So all this garlic is going in the pan of, and then that's going in there. Onion, garlic, and the shrimp. My shrimps to cook, and I'm gonna do in the pan, you see. Olive oil. Medium. Then we're gonna add the shrimp to this.
Yeah, I chose to cook the entire prawns. I find that it gives it overall more flavor. After it's all cooked, you can do what you want. You can pull the heads, but I serve for me personally, and for the people that I hang with, I serve it just like this. Now I have cleaned them. I've done that. I mean, yeah, you can do that. If that's what you prefer to do, you can do that. Don't overcook them. Just get them to that beautiful pinkish color with the garlic and the green onions.
So about
and
a kilo
everything
of
will be
shrimp
awesome. And veggies and garlic, and everything is blended together. And now we're about to add the sauce.
Okay, so I added oyster sauce. I added chili powder, salt. What else? Cayenne peppers. Yes. Yep, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna finish this. And then we're gonna set it aside and cook our vegetables. And then we're gonna add the shrimp back to the vegetables. Okay, look good? Looks good, baby. It looks good. Let's try to taste one. See what one tastes like.
So we have our shrimp set aside, and we're going to do the vegetables separately with another round of garlic and PECHAY and green onions. And we're not adding any heat to any of this. That's horseradish, root,
and green beans,
carrots,
and
cabbage.
Whatever
that's
that
PECHAY,
is, and my garlic.
which
salt,
translates to cabbage,
garlic,
but it's
browning,
really not. Just a leafy green
and
vegetable, which is great for garnishes, great for
garlic,
salads,
browning,
and very
and
inexpensive here. And
now
I use it as a
veggies.
substitute of lettuce all the time, and cabbage as well. So it can be used in many, many different ways. The PECHAY, it's really great and very nutritious and tasty. So blend all the veggies back in the pan, and
green beans.
Add the green beans as the vegetables begin to get a little. We want crunchy. We don't want these overcooked. We just want a little flavor.
We add at the very end.
The shrimp is going to get added back to this.
So, babe, we got our vegetables. Now, the shrimp is going back in with the vegetables. United with the veggies. And here we go. Boom. All together now. Putting this in, whatever it is, what just about ready, baby. We are about ready to serve this, plate this up. Yes, Baby, I wish I could feed you. And having a fabulous time in the Philippines. Oh,
As usual, please subscribe, have some fun, share it with your friends because I feed others.
Sacaris.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi YouTube, subscribe and
Ring
click the bell button.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell button.
Subscribe. And okay.
And click the ring button and subscribe.
Exactly.